Imagine standing on the edge of a technological shift so significant that it renders the current gold standard obsolete overnight. For years, the Nikon Z8 has been the benchmark for what a high-end hybrid mirrorless camera should be, balancing size, power, and price in a way that left the competition scrambling. But as we move through 2026, the horizon has shifted. The upcoming Nikon Z8 II is no longer just a collection of rumors. It is a meticulously engineered response to a new era of content creation, where the line between a professional cinema camera and a photography workhorse has completely evaporated. If you are holding off on a major gear investment, there is a very specific reason why the Z8 II is the only camera that should be on your radar right now. The DNA of this machine is fundamentally different because of Nikon's integration of red digital cinema technology. This isn't just a branding exercise. The Z8 II is poised to be the first mainstream mirrorless camera to natively feature internal REDCODE RAW. For the premium US and European production markets, this is a seismic shift. Usually, achieving this level of color science and file flexibility requires a rig worth $20,000 and a dedicated data technician. Now, that same 12-bit depth and the ability to adjust ISO and white balance in post-production without degrading the image is being tucked into a body you can carry in a backpack. We are looking at a sensor that isn't just about resolution, but about the quality of every single pixel. This integration brings the legendary red IPP2 color science directly into the Nikon Z-mount ecosystem. This means filmmakers can achieve Hollywood standard skin tones and highlight roll-off in camera, moving away from the clinical look often associated with digital mirrorless sensors. The internal architecture has been redesigned to support this massive data throughput. Rumors suggest a new 3.5x fast scan stacked sensor that maintains the 45.7 megapixel sweet spot but hits readout speeds previously thought impossible without a global shutter. By doubling down on speed rather than raw megapixel counts, Nikon is ensuring that dynamic range and low-light performance remain class-leading while effectively killing rolling shutter for both high-speed stills and 8K video. While the resolution is expected to stay in that sweet spot to maintain high-speed readout, the architecture of the sensor has been completely overhauled. The new high-scan CMOS sensor in the Z8 II is designed to virtually eliminate the last traces of distortion. When you are filming fast-moving subjects, whether it's a high-speed car chase for a commercial or a bird in flight, the skewing that used to plague electronic shutters is effectively gone. This sensor works in perfect harmony with the EXPEED 8 AI processor, a chip that handles data at a rate we haven't seen in the consumer space. This processor is the brain behind the new deep intent predictive autofocus. It doesn't just look for a face. It maps the skeleton of the subject and predicts their movement path even when they are temporarily obscured. In the high-pressure world of wedding photography or sports journalism, this translates to a hit rate that feels almost like cheating. Thermal management has been the Achilles heel of compact 8K cameras since their inception. Nikon has addressed this in the Z8 II with a radical internal overhaul using a graphite-based cooling system. By moving heat away from the sensor and processor more efficiently through a passive honeycomb structure, the Z8 II is targeting unlimited 8K 60p recording in standard ambient temperatures. No internal fans, no distracting noise, and no overheating warnings in the middle of a critical take. This is the level of reliability that professional creators demand, gear that works as hard as the person behind the lens. To support these massive data streams, the camera moves to a dual CF-Express Type B 4.0 architecture, entirely ditching the slower SD slot to ensure the buffer never becomes a bottleneck during 30 frames per second RAW bursts. The speed of these cards is essential because the Z8 II isn't just capturing video, it's capturing 8.3K open gate. This allows creators to shoot one scene and crop it for both a cinematic 2.40.1 widescreen for YouTube and a 9:16 vertical for social media without losing a shred of professional sharpness. Furthermore, the electronic Viewfinder has been upgraded to a staggering 9.44 million dot Ultra OLED panel. With a refresh rate that mimics an optical finder and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, it remains perfectly visible even under the harsh midday sun of California or the bright snow of the Alps. This ensures that your creative vision is never limited by the visibility of your tools. In terms of audio, Nikon is breaking new ground by incorporating internal 32-bit float recording. This is a massive leap for solo creators. It means you can capture audio without ever worrying about your levels clipping or being too quiet to recover. You have near infinite dynamic range in your audio files, matching the incredible dynamic range of the video. When you combine the red color science, the 8K 60p stability, and the 32-bit float audio, the Z8 II becomes more than a camera. It becomes a complete, portable production house that eliminates the need for bulky external recorders. The market. Positioning for 2026 is clear. Nikon is not just trying to beat Sony or Canon, they are trying to redefine what a premium camera looks like for the next 5 years. The Z8 II is expected to launch with a price point reflecting its super hybrid status, with estimates landing between $4,599 and $4,799 USD. For a professional who is currently paying for separate cinema bodies, expensive RAW converters, and high-end audio gear, this price represents a massive consolidation of value. It is the first time we've seen a manufacturer truly listen to the high-end creator who refuses to compromise on either stills or video. As we look at the 2026 roadmap, the Z8 II is positioned to be the flagship for the masses, arriving shortly, after the Z9 II, to bring elite technology to a more compact form factor. Production is ramping up to meet global demand, particularly for Tier 1 markets where these cinematic features are most requested. This camera is built for the professional who needs their gear to be an extension of their vision. It isn't about the specs on a page, it's about the feeling of knowing that when you press that shutter or record button, the result will be world-class. The Z8 II represents the pinnacle of Nikon's innovation, proving they are no longer just keeping pace with the industry. They are setting the tempo. For anyone invested in the highest tier of tech, this is the moment where the future of imaging finally arrives. The Z8 II isn't just the next step, it is the destination. Stop. If you are about to drop thousands on a new body, wait for the red revolution to hit the Z-mount. The camera landscape is changing, and TapTech is here to make sure you're on the right side of that shift. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with authentic spec-heavy deep dives like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat in the world of high-end consumer electronics. We are tracking every firmware leak and supply chain update as we approach the official launch. Let us know in the comments if internal Red RAW is enough to make you switch systems. We'll see you in the next one.